Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to break down for you how you can insert multiple new pages into your documents on CorelDRAW. So let us dive into this. So guys, let me use this example document here. What you want to do is you want to navigate to layout here, click into insert page, and here on the number of pages, type in the number of pages you would like to add. So let me add 2 instead of 1. Place the or set the position like before or after your current page. Then set the page size. I will leave it like that. You can go, for example, also with portrait orientation or set the custom width and height of the page. Click into OK. And now, guys, for example, your document has been added more pages and you can navigate through these here at the bottom. Page 1, 2, 3 of your document. I'm still in the same document tab, so that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.